There will be times when you want more control over the text that you work with, and there is an awesome tool just for that, the touch type tool. The touch type tool is also grouped with the type tool, so if you click and hold, you can get access to it. What is great about the touch type tool is that it allows you to adjust individual letters in a word. Like you can scale individual letter or rotate individual letter or move individual letter if you like. So when you select a letter using the touch type tool, that individual letter will be surrounded by a bounding box and you will see 3 white circles. And these 3 circles control how you can manipulate the letter. The top left circle is for vertical movement. So if you click on the top left circle, you can control the movement of the letter vertically. And if you click on the top right circle, then you can constrain the scaling of the letter proportionally. That is, both vertically and horizontally you can scale the letter. The bottom right circle is for changing the width of the letter. And this circle at the very top is used for rotating individual letter if you like. You can even move individual letter, that is kern the letter. Just select the letter with the touch type tool and press right or left arrow key or up or down arrow key to adjust the movement of the letter.